What's up, folks? This is Wesley Billion Dollar Virgin. Let's go. Hey, so the question is this: how do YouTubers make money online so they can afford Lamborghinis? This is my actual Lamborghini. Maybe I'll show you a picture of me. I own this, and I'm gonna be honest. It's because of the internet and because of YouTube. But listen, a lot of people are very confused because they don't know how people really make money on YouTube channels. People ask me all the time, Wesley, how do you make money on YouTube? How did you build your channel to 400,000 subscribers? I don't get it. I don't understand. So guess what? I'm going to do something cool for you. You don't have to buy a course. You don't have to buy anything. I'm going to show you in this video very quickly here, as long as you listen to every word that I say and apply it. If you promise me that you will apply everything I show you and start making money, I want you to sub to the channel, okay, and smash the like button. Because listen, I'm about to blow your mind. YouTubers like Mr. Beast and all these big guys, they don't want you to know this, but I'm just going to tell you the truth on how it works. Listen, so this is my channel right here, okay? And I'm going to be very, very honest with you. Let me go to my YouTube studio here. And listen, thank you guys for turning on your notifications. Make sure you smash the like. Show me some love, baby. I need love, right? Nobody love Wesley Virgin. So you show me some love. Because I'm going to show you how to get rich right now on YouTube. So this is how it works. And I'm going to keep it real simple. I'm not going to waste a lot of time here. So if I go to analytics here, okay, in my channel here, and I want to give you the history because I want to show you what I did that changed everything for me. If you have a YouTube channel that has 0 subscribers, right, no views, well, I'm going to show you what you're doing wrong in this video, but listen very close because if you miss out, well, you'll continue to be broke and you'll continue to be watching YouTube videos like this, trying to learn how to make money online. So I'm going to go to revenue here, all right, and I'm going to click on this button here, and I want to show you the shift that took place in my channel once I learned the secret sauce, which I'm going to give you very shortly here. So if you scroll down here, okay, they're not showing me the entire, no, hold on, give me 1 second. Let me move my big head over here. Okay, let's show me Mr. Virgin lifetime. I want you to see lifetime of my channel, be very transparent with you. As you can see here, October I was balling. $3, baby, let's go. Right, $1. So as you can see here, I was like making no money on YouTube like most people, right? Many people are not making any money like you. You're not making money on YouTube either. As you can see here, $100. So during those years in the beginning, I was making no money because I didn't know what I was doing, right? I just wasn't educated on how to build a YouTube channel. But something changed here. And let me show you. If we keep scrolling down, still no money, still broke, right? Let's see, let's do this. And let's go to the last 365 days, we had a shift in May. And as you can see, I did $1,000 in 1 month, right? So I was like, man, maybe that can pay my Lamborghini note. But no, the next month I make $3,000. And then I make $9,000, then $25,000, then $35,000, then $38,000. And as you can see, it was growing from there. And we've been even off from about $29,000 to $30,000 to $40,000 per month right now with this YouTube channel. But the thing is this, Wesley, what did you do? What changed for you? And this is what they won't tell you. They won't even tell you this in a course. I'm going to be honest with you. They won't tell you, but listen, because Wesley is about to expose the truth here. And people can get pissed off. They're going to try to strike this video, but I need you to like this video and share it so more people that are brand new YouTubers understand this. People like you that deserve to win. I truly believe everybody deserves to win that want to. Now, if you're lazy, if you're not going to do nothing anyway, this is not going to work for you, okay? So listen, this is what I did. So I started to do my research, and I learned that making money online, finance channels, and technology channels, and weight loss channels pay the most money, period. You ever seen those ads that pop up in front of the YouTube video? And you say, oh, you be like, Mama, hit that skip button. I skip, right? So people are getting paid, okay? That is what is called AdSense, right? Google AdSense, Google pays me for every ad that's presented to you and to other people that watch my video here. So the key is is to create videos in a very specific niche, okay? Because listen, it's many people that I know, they have more followers than me, but they make like $10,000 a month. I got a guy, I can't show you his channel because it's just wrong. He has 1 million followers, but he just talk about his life all day. No one cares about that, and advertisers don't care as well. Understand, write this down. This is gold. Make money online videos, teaching people how to make money online, like this channel is. And 2, real estate too. I forgot about that. Real estate and finance. And I'm going to give you some example channels that I know personally. I don't know these guys like personally, but they reach out to me via my DMs, right? And they did a video on me as well. Graham Stephan, Meet Kevin, Andre Jenka. These guys are killing it because they're in a finance niche. So they make about $300,000 to $400,000 per month with YouTube here, okay? So listen, this is what you want to do. Say if you want to create something in finance, because you're thinking right now, okay, Wes, I want to do this. Okay, I want to do this. But the thing is, Wes, I don't have any content. No problem. Now, say if you're a finance person, or you would like to be a finance person because you want to start a YouTube channel today. And the great thing about it, within like 30 days, if you do this correctly, you'll start making money, 100%. So this is Graham Stephan here. See, my boy Graham. Actually, Graham made a video about me. Like, I don't know which video it was, but he's a smart guy. I like him. I follow him as well. But listen, if you want to do what Graham is doing, Graham was a real estate guy, and he turned from a real estate guy to a YouTuber. And that's what they all doing, right? So listen, what you do is you click on videos and say if you have a brand new channel, okay? You click on videos and you basically start with the video that got the most views. That's it. Look, most popular here, okay? So obviously you didn't buy a Tesla here. Look, how to buy your first real estate property. That got 3 million views. This is what you do. You watch that video. Listen to me. You watch that video, take notes, and you record a video just like that. Now, let me give you the software that you need to download. You need to download Loom. Smash the like button because I'm giving you the keys. Go to loom.com, and this is for people that doesn't want to show their pretty faces. Download loom.com. Okay, Loom is a software that allows you to record videos without showing your face. Does that make sense? Even though you're beautiful, like you're so pretty, you're so handsome, right? Smash the like button. I appreciate that. So listen here, you go to Graham's channel here, and you basically model his videos here. That's it. You model his videos, and you want to know something else? Let me tell you what YouTubers are doing that they'll never show you. They want you to pay money. Go to this site right here, vidIQ. I use this. Everybody use this. When I started using these tools, man, I started to make like a lot of money. Like this year, I'm gonna do almost $500,000. So get vidIQ. Now listen, vidIQ allows you to peep in on your competition. You can go to a channel like Graham Stephan. You can copy all his tags. You can get his thumbnails, right? And you can recreate everything. And if you do this consistently, give yourself 1 to 3 months. I promise you, you will start getting views. You will start ranking, right? And you'll start ranking with your videos, and you'll start making money as soon as you get 4,000 watch hours, right? And you have 1,000 subscribers, which is simple to do. So download vidIQ right now, okay? And guess what? Excuse me, I'm sorry about that. Smash the like button if you want me to burp hardcore. On Chrome, I'm so excited because you're getting ready to make some major money here. Listen, on Chrome, download their browser and make sure you add the Chrome extension. Does that make sense? Download Chrome and add the Chrome extension. So when you go to your YouTube videos, you'll be able to peep in on your competition, right? Because say if you want to model somebody like, let me show you somebody else's channel that you can model. I'm just showing you the channels that I know in the niches that pay the most amount of money here, okay? Look, Andre, I know you guys are thinking, I love you, Wes. I can't believe you're just giving a game like this. Well, I believe people should everybody deserves to win. Let me see, what's that guy's name? Let me see here. Here we go. See this guy right here? I mean, he's killing it, right? He has 1.5 million. He probably does about $200,000. And listen, if you keep watching, I'm going to show you another way how we make money as well. I mean, it's insane once you get this right. Remember, I recommend make videos in the make money online niche or the finance niche. And all you need to do is go to a popular channel like Andre, click on videos, right? I know some YouTubers are pissed off at me. They're like, why is he giving them the game? Because listen, the internet pie, listen close, is huge. Everybody can win. You don't need $1 million, even if you made $20,000 per month. Smash the like button if you will be happy. If I can help you make $20,000 a month by listening to everything in this video, would you be happy with me? You'd be like, hell yeah, like. Of course. So what do we do here? We do a sort. We want to do most popular, because what that means is the video that he created was very popular as it relates to YouTube, okay? That's it. YouTube liked it. So like here, 7 passive income ideas, how I can earn $700 a day. Listen, you don't even need to know how to do it. Watch his video and then make another video, but just make it better. That's all you have to. All YouTubers do it. They all do this. They basically regurgitate the same information from other people. They do it. They put their little secret sauce. They put their secret sauce on it, right? Put your secret sauce on it. Watch that video. Do it for like 30 to 60 days. The first 30 to 60 days is the grind. Okay, I'm going to be honest with you. It's the grind. Like what I did, I started this last year, and I was pumping out. Like me, I'm hungry for success. So I did 5 videos a day. But you can do 1 video per day, okay? And all your content is right here. You watch this video, you can change the 700 to 800, right? And you talk about exactly what he talked about in that video, record it using Loom, and upload it. And as a matter of fact, I didn't even use a thumbnail when I first started making money on YouTube. I didn't use thumbnails. I didn't understand how to create it, so I just uploaded a video. And I still, last year, did over 300,000 on YouTube, where basically nobody was viewing my channel at all, following this technique. Smash the like button if you love me right now. Comment below. That's what they do. All of them. Look. Andre, let me show you a technology channel here. Look, I hope you guys are writing this down. I hope you are listening closely, okay? Listen, check this out. Technology. Here we go, Tech Zone. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Now, this guy gets paid very nice because, like I said, finance, technology, real estate, and make money online are the best niches that pay the highest CPMs. CPM means every 1,000 views of a video, you will make so much money. Before I show you this, let's go back and let me show you what I mean. I want to educate you on something because I want you guys to know everything that you need to know right now so you don't need to buy a YouTube course ever again in your life. Smash the like button if you're okay with that, okay? $0. Look, go to analytics here, and if you see, if I click on revenue here, okay, see that says 2377? That's called revenue per mile, which means per mile means every 1,000 views, I'm making $23. Their playback is $48, right? That is high. That's insane. The average channel does about $2 to $3. I'm doing $23 per average view per 1,000 views. That's insane. So that's why I'm making $700 here. I made $859. Some days I did $1,000 here, and this is every day. Even if I don't make a video, I don't have to make a video for a month, and my revenue is going to stay consistent. But I'm hungry. I want that 700 to be 10,000. Does that make sense? How about you? That's what you want too. So just create more content here. So that's all it means here, okay? The CPMs are very high and the RPMs are very high in the finance, the technology niche. And let me go back here to the real estate niche and to make money online. So listen, what do you have to do? Open up a YouTube channel. You already have one because you're watching YouTube right now, big head. Okay, great. Choose one. Choose finance, how to make money online, or technology, or real estate channel. Does that make sense? Are you with me here? Okay? Tech Zone. Right? You can do the 10 coolest things and 10 guys that will help you kill me. You can just watch this guy's videos and just do it again. Regurgitate the same information your way. And you just copy his tags and his title using vidIQ. Do it for 30 to 60 days, like every day. Okay? And make sure, this is very important. This is the most important part of making money on YouTube. Please listen, because if you don't hear this, if you don't do this, you will fail. Nothing what I just said will work. You must tell people in the video to smash the like button. Let's go! Motivated, dedicated, let go. Love you, folks.